Hello and welcome to 2-Minute Programming. Today's topic is another one of the essentials, namespaces. I'll get straight into a practical example. I want to use the Latinized name method from this prospect class. Notice it exists in the Acme CRM namespace and is called prospect. Now I'm going to write my own class which is also called prospect. I've made up my own namespace here, Johnco Customers, and my class name is also known as prospect. To use the Acme prospect class, I'll just quickly include it here and then access the Latinized name static method. The class name is the same as the one I'm using. PHP can't tell which is which and will throw an error. We can fix this by instructing PHP to alias the Acme prospect class to Acme prospect. This is done through the use statement, which tells PHP to use a class from another namespace and the as keyword to use Acme prospect as the prospect class from our included file. Finally, we can now access the Latinized name method through the aliased class. Be sure to check out my other videos, especially in the PHP Essentials playlist, to see how this fits in with autoloading and Composer. If you like this video, please give it the thumbs up and be sure to subscribe. If you have any questions, ask away in the comments section.